Hi, welcome to HeKate's Crossing. Okay, we're looking at the Crystal Power Tarot. So let's have a look. So again, a Jane Wallace deck. So this is my third one. So this is a Crystal Power. So again, a really nice book. It does talk about the cards, some spreads, how to prepare for a reading, the Crystal Power spreads, crystal pairs. So it looks like there's a bit of reading to do. Crystal light the way ahead, wish upon. So it's always quite a little bit about the chakra crystal reading. And it does talk about the major arcanas, which talks about the different crystals for each card as well. And then it goes into the minor arcana, looking at the suits, the crystal, the quantities, and the chakras. So it looks like each suit, like Ace to 10, say it was Pentacles, Ace to 10 is all Malachite, and the Page to King is Parrot. Cups, Ace to 10 is Aquamarine, Page to King is Angel Aura Quartz. Wands, Ace to 10 is Garnet, Page to King is Yellow Calcite. Swords, Ace to 10 is Sugilite, Page to King is Ametrine, which will be quite interesting. So working with each of the chakras. Yeah, so again, it's Pippish cards. It's always Pip with the minor arcana. Those have keywords at the bottom of each card. So I think this is a great way to sort of learn a little bit about the crystals with the tarot. So let's have a look, starting with the Fool. So you've got the Fool, you've got all the chakras, all the crystals for the chakras: clear quartz, amethyst, sugilite, green aventurine, citrine, carnelian, and red jasper. I'm guided and protected on my life journey. So very affirmations, if you like. Magician. Oh, I like the High Priestess in this with lapis lazuli. My intuition guides me to the truth. Oh, beautifully done. The colours are gorgeous. Oh, I love the lovers. Rose quartz. I trust my knowing and make a commitment. That's beautifully done. Colours are gorgeous. Really beautiful. Oh, I love the Death card. This is Phantom Quartz. I let go and embrace new beginnings. Wow. Just stunning. The Devil. I am free of whatever is holding me back. The Tower. I surrender and know how to go forward. Oh my god, that's beautiful. Absolutely stunning cards. The Moon with Rainbow Moonstone. My intuition guides me in the right direction. Oh wow. Okay, so we've got Ace of Pentacles. Oh yeah, it's affirmations, not keywords, so I'm always rewarded for all I do. Okay, so that's quite cool. And as you can see, and then you've got your Page, your Knight, your Queen, and your King. Okay, so there's your Cups. I love the colours are so clear for each suit, which I think is gorgeous. There's your Wands. Oops. Last one is Swords. something I like about Jane's decks is that the colours are really clear. Right, so let's have a look. Let's have a shuffle. That's the back of the cards. Now I brought each of these, the decks that I got, I brought to go with a particular theme. To work out what I can go through. Now what flipped out was Knight of Wands with yellow calcite. I make decisions without pressure. So again, I feel like this is a sense of wanting to move ahead in some way, wanting to make, I feel like there's definitely a lot of movement going on in this card. As you can see, there's a lot of movement happening, moving forward as swiftly. Feels like he's running, like he's moving ahead. So like his decisions are really clear-minded, doesn't worry about what other people think or think about the situation or feel about the situation. So I feel like he's got a lot of passion about what's important. So let's have a look. And here we've got the star. I'm inspired and positive about the future with Tanzanite, the star. So this to me is really about your hopes, your dreams, your wishes, if you like. What do you want to happen? And you're able to sort of balance out your emotions in some way, and it's like you're connected to the two worlds. Oops, and the last one. Okay, King of Swords, Ametrine. I trust my ability to make a strategic decision. So when I look at this, I look at this being very sort of clear-minded, knowing what your dreams and your hopes are, what your wishes are, what do you want to achieve. And I feel like you've got this real good focus about where you want to be, and you're able to do that without anybody else's input. This is about your own trusting in yourself as well. So that's it from me. Don't forget to check the link below, check the links on my channel, like, subscribe and ring that bell so you know when the next video will be uploaded. Take care and blessed be.